Hello everyone, James here, aka Windmere 1993. Yes, it is a Lakewood brace blader, or yet another Windmere rebadging. Seriously, how do I keep running into these? But yeah, as you can see, this is a brace blader, but this is actually the very first brace blader, I believe. Why do I say that? Well, you'll notice that the switch and the handle is the same as the other previous Lakewood models, all the way down to their first generations. So, that is cool enough. But what makes this one very impressive? That's right, full-size McMillan motor. I know there are later ones with this cabinet, but with the smaller motors, but honestly, I don't care for those at this point. It still has the great cord, but at least it's actually wired into the motor. Honestly, I don't even know why they introduced a brace blade. They claim that it blows more air, but we all know that's a bunch of bull crap. Regardless of that, this is still actually a decent fan. Granted, I still prefer the banana blade version that I have, but this is still a cool fan to have. A kind of a cool transitional fan. Unfortunately, it doesn't have feet, but then again, this doesn't have enough air to blow itself over on high, and even then it's only mainly a problem on very plush carpeting. Anyway, let's start off on high. Okay, I stand corrected. This is a bit of plush carpeting. Medium. What I find weird is that the other rebadged Lakewood, as well as the homes, don't make the high-pitched humming noise like this one, and yet those both use McMillan motors. Here's low. Let's give a view of it on the back. Yeah, I honestly think I remember seeing these running in Sears long ago, because I do remember seeing a box fan with a McMillan motor, and I did notice the ring around it. I can't remember if I saw the hub, but I do remember seeing a fan like this. And I'm guessing this is the type of model. I believe these were introduced around in 1997. I couldn't find the date on it. It's just sad how much they degraded this thing. Granted, from what I've seen, Lakewoods were still decent box fans compared to Lascos, but they still did a lot of stupid decisions, like the awful paint job, the boombox cord. Like, why couldn't they just stick with the McMillan motor? Did it really cost that much more money? Did they really want it to burn out easily? Alright, let's get a start up. I think the blade on this is slightly off balance, but then again, I can't really tell since it doesn't shake. I'll force it to stop. Alright. And finally low. What's even more funny about this brace blade is that there's actually 5 fins inside the hub, where the later ones that only have 5. The Aerospeed also only had 5 fins inside the hub, so I don't know what happened. Anyway, this is my rebadged Lakewood brace blader, model 200i, I believe the model was. And I'll see you guys later.